In SiteC, in section 11.2, we're going to configure SRST in SiteC, where SiteC IP phone should register to the in case of one failure. We are going to register, make sure we're going to make 911 an emergency call, and we're going to make sure that the caller ID is set properly. We're also going to make an international call to ensure that the caller ID is also set as per the requirement. We're going to register all IP phone to SRST, make 999 emergency call, check the caller ID, make sure the voicemail functionality works, as well as that transfer to voicemail on the 6th line of SiteC phone. So SiteC phone should be able to hit the DND to divert the call to voicemail. So first thing I'm going to do in call manager is under the SiteC device pool, make sure my SRST is set properly, and this is going to be SRST in CME mode because of the specific configuration on line number 6. So make sure the SRST reference is set to use default gateway. Once that part is done, in the router I'm going to first configure some translation rule. So this is the translation rule that I need. This is for 999. This one I need for international calls, and this one of course is your subscriber call. Now for local, we're going to have a translation profile with a translation calling number and call number, and voice translation profile for international. One will be for calling and one will be for called. Emergency will change the caller ID only. Now I have created another translation rule profile called direct text, which is to transfer the call to voicemail. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the dial pairs. These are my dial pairs for local call. This is for international. This is for emergency. And this is to send the calls to voicemail with a direct text transfer. Okay, so once these parts are done, you can pause it to take a note. You can go to the telephony section. Under telephony service, I'm going to say SRST mode auto provision all, SRST ePhone template 5, description could be anything you want, SRST DN template 8, dual line, maximum number of phone and DN, and the source address of the router as a SRST.